An effective remedy to turn yellow teeth to brittle white teeth permanently. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I will share with you an effective remedy to turn yellow teeth to brittle white teeth permanently. First, we need 2 tablespoons of water, 1 tablespoon of alum, 1/2 tablespoon of regular salt. Now mix all the ingredients very well. Then dip your toothbrush in this remedy and brush your teeth for 2 minutes. After 2 minutes, wash your teeth with water. Oh, finally! I hope this remedy helped you too. Please share this video with your friends and family, and please don't forget to subscribe my channel and make thumbs up for this video.